Are you studying for the TOEFL test? Are you looking for new ideas that can help you to answer task 1 questions? Well, if you are, you're in luck. Make sure you watch this video because I am going to show you how to answer the task 1 question from last Sunday, September the 5th, from that test. Hi there, my name is Chi. Welcome back to my channel. Like I said, in this video, I'm going to show you how to answer this task 1 question from this test, from last Sunday's test. Well, last Sunday's test, it talks about math. Basically, it asks your opinion whether students should use calculators or they should use their mind. They should use their mental ability to do math. Well, personally, I am a very big fan of using calculators. I do think that using calculators can bring a lot of benefits. So what these benefits are. Now, please listen to my simple response. And when you're listening, try to find out the benefits I mentioned, the 2 benefits I mentioned of using calculators, as well as how did I explain why they are beneficial. All right, so let's get started. Honestly, I think teachers should teach children how to use calculators instead of how to do math in their mind. First off, I think calculators actually promotes accuracy. I mean, it is quite accurate. As long as we punch in the correct numbers, we shouldn't make any mistakes at all. So it's more reliable than our mind. Besides, I think children should be learning how to use calculators instead of doing math in their head. It's because calculators can actually remove the tedious, busy work. I mean, those tedious calculations. So the children don't have to worry about the different steps in the calculation. Instead, they can focus their mind on the concepts, on the mathematical concepts that matter, which can help them to understand the math class even better. All right, so these are my reasons. Did you get it? Now, first off, I said calculators promote accuracy. Accuracy in Chinese, 准确度. Promote, if you promote something, that means you improve it. So what I'm trying to say is that calculators, they are more accurate, they are more reliable. Why? Because as long as, in Chinese means 只要, so as long as we key in or punch in the correct numbers, the answer should be correct, right? Key in or punch in, that means you press the buttons on the calculator, you put in the numbers, all right? So because of that, if it's during a test, then students can actually get better scores because their answer is correct. And besides, the second reason is that calculator can remove the tedious, busy work. Tedious, that means a lot of. That means something, it's not that enjoyable. If you say something is tedious, that means you don't like it very much, right? We all have that kind of experience. Like during an actual math exam, we have to use many different steps to solve a problem. And each step is so difficult. We have to, work out the numbers on the scratch paper, just to figure out what the next step will be. But if we use calculators, we can get the answer right away. So in this case, students don't have to worry about the tedious, busy work. Instead, they can focus on the concepts that matter, right? So you don't have to worry about the different steps of working out the solution, but instead, you can just think about the concepts behind it. Like why it is like this way. Why do we have to, for example, use this formula? So because of these 2 reasons, I think calculators do bring a lot of benefits. And that would be the reason why we shouldn't teach students how to do math in their head anymore, since we have calculators available. All right? So now you have understood how you can develop your ideas, as well as you have taken a look at these 5 words and phrases that you should use to answer this question. So now it's the time for you to keep practicing. Keep practicing this question. Keep practicing your answer. Make sure you repeat yourself again and again until you can speak fluently. Well, this is because language is a skill and practice makes perfect. All right, so that's it for me now. Until next time, please take care of yourself and each other. I will catch you in my next video.